running with thumbtacks in my shoes for a run. Out in the blizzard. Join me. Yeehaw!
That the genius.
If you're into winning, you're definitely into basketball. And if you know one thing about me is I don't like to promote anything I don't believe in, use, or I don't take account for. So this year's gonna be a big year. We'll have Kugadana, 100-mile races, getting redemption. Let's go. Use code FAIRBOVICH15 for 15% off on your Vespa purchases. This is gonna be a big year. Thank you, Vespa. Let's have a good year, everybody.